Hey, bright stars! Have you ever felt so mad you wanted to yell? Or maybe you really wanted that last cookie, so much that you almost grabbed it without asking. Guess what? We all feel that way sometimes. But today, I'm going to tell you a secret superpower that every hero at Brite Star School can have. It's called self-control. Now I know what you're thinking. Self-control? That doesn't sound like flying or super strength. But here's the thing. Self-control is a quiet superpower that can help you do amazing things every single day. It helps you stay focused on your goals, treat your friends with respect, and be the hero of your own story. Let's talk about 5 awesome ways you can practice your self-control superpower. Ready? Here we go. Number 1. Count to 5 before you react. Sometimes when something surprises you or makes you mad, your feelings want to take over. But if you pause and count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, you give your brain time to catch up with your heart. That's a hero move. Number 2. Walk away from arguments or frustration. If you feel like you're about to say or do something you'll regret, it's totally okay to step back. Heroes know when to take a break. Number 3. Use I feel words instead of yelling. Instead of shouting, try saying I feel upset because, or I feel left out when. This helps others understand you, and it keeps your superpower strong. Number 4. Wait your turn and listen fully. Sometimes it's hard not to interrupt or jump in, but waiting shows respect to your friends and teachers, and it helps everyone feel heard. And number 5. Think before you act, even when you're excited. Heroes lead with their values, not just their feelings. Captain Star always says, heroes aren't ruled by their feelings, they lead with their values. That means you can choose what's right, even when it's tough. Every deep breath, every pause, and every kind word is you using your superpower. So, next time you feel ready to snap, take a deep breath and remember, your self-control superpower is kicking in. You're stronger than you think, and you make Brite Star School shine even brighter. Thanks for joining me today. Come back soon for more Brite Star Learned Superpowers.
Thanks for visiting the magical world of Brite Star. We're always here and always excited to have you come back and see us again. Make sure you visit us at britestarworld.com for more enchanting books and videos. Until next time, keep dreaming, keep exploring, and keep shining bright.